What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's episode is just gonna help some of the viewers out. So I'm gonna answer a question from one of my viewers named Joe. If you guys who are watching have any advice that you can help him as well to kind of ease him into the process of installing the wire into his avalanche for the backup camera, please do so by leaving a comment in the comment section. So let's get started into the video. So he asked me, Joe, this is for you. I was asked, so can you provide instructions on how you snaked the wires through the tailgate and the exact location of the hole below the camera? Video is going too fast. For those of you who have not seen that video, I'll leave the link up here or here, and you can click on it and view the video yourself and let me know what you think by leaving the comment in the comment section below and also smashing the like button on that video. But Joe, to answer your question, which I kind of did, I gave you a written response, but I did promise I'll make you a video response. So here is the video response to that. Now, when you were watching the tailgate, there was a hole in the center. That was basically my first hole that I actually made to snake the wire through and hook up the camera, see if everything worked. Eventually, over time, I didn't like the way that it looked because it was closing onto the tailgate and I didn't want the wire to cut over time. So what I did was I ended up creating a new hole all the way in the corner of the tailgate. So how I did that was first I ended up, removing my tailgate, removing the little, I guess, corner pivot point, or what do you call that? Word blank. Latch, moving the little latch thing in the corner, removing it out. You saw it in the video. You'll see what it is. I think it was two 15mm bolts to loosen them out. After you removed them, then I drilled a small hole in the side of it, a hole that would not, bother anything. So once I drilled that hole, I ended up snaking the wire straight through using a coat rack. I took the coat rack, tied it to the wire, I put some electrical tape to hold it still, and I snaked it down. Once I got access to my coat rack, or what I actually did was take the coat rack, put it through the opposite end, the end that I wanted the wire to come out, until I found it coming out of the top hole that I created, and then I put the wire in and I snaked all the way through. So the first hole in the center of the lift gate actually gave me like a guide to help me. Now, you don't have to do that first hole, because once you remove the tailgate latch from the front to open the tailgate, once you remove that cover, you do have access that goes straight through the tailgate and out the corner where I made the hole. Now, I am going to make an episode eventually. I don't know when. Right now, things are different. I just moved to Florida. You guys know that. And, well, for those of you who don't know that, I moved from Florida, so I do not have my shop right now. I am starting basically from scratch again. And I'm going to try to build everything that I need and want here in Florida. Once I get the truck down, because it's still in Jersey, once I get the truck down, I will make that video. You guys will get avalanche videos again, but I will make that video showing you guys how to repair that tailgate and remove, well, not remove, but how to repair the hole on the tailgate using a fiberglass kit. Now, hopefully it comes out great. I've never done it before, so it'll be an experience for me and you guys. And I'm excited to show you all that. So, Joe, I hope that really answered your question. I hope that kind of helped you, gave you a little frame. I'm sorry I sped up the video. I'll try to see if I can find some clips where I had before saved in my drive, so I can put down maybe a slower sped version for you guys. I did rewatch the video, and I can't believe I even made it that fast. I don't know why I would do something like that, but all of my videos now I'm definitely trying to take my time with them. I'm trying to give you the most clearest possible instructions ever. If there's anything that you guys want to see or any advice that you have for me on this channel, please don't be afraid to let me know in the comments. I appreciate everyone's advice. Some things that I do on cars, people actually correct me, and I really appreciate that. Like, it shows that you guys are interacting with me. You want to see me do better. You want to see me create more content. And I love helping you guys out and showing you things that you haven't seen before. So, like I was saying, if you see something that you want to see different in the channel, you want me to take a different point of view on it, you want me to film it a little bit differently, please let me know in the comment section below, because that will definitely help me out to grow this channel. On top of that, I just want to say thank you all for watching, guys. Thank you all for being a lovely set of subscribers. We hit 2,500 subs not too long ago, which is awesome. I know it's not that big to many people. You guys got people with millions and millions. To me, that's a huge milestone, because I remember when I started from zero. 2,500 is a huge thing for Corolla Custom, so congratulations. And let us work to the goal of 100,000 right over there. That's what we want, and that is the goal for this year, and I believe anything is possible, so let's see what happens. With that being said, Joe, I hope you enjoyed this message, and peace out and see you soon. Why am I forgetting something? Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe.